Dog lovers, your dog is not a carnivore. Contrary to popular belief, they're actually omnivores and they should be treated as such. Now, I'm not saying put your dog on a fully vegan or vegetarian diet because it's not best for them. But since they are omnivorous, they can utilize nutrients from both animal and plant sources. And on top of that, especially if you love sustainability, plant-based diets are usually more sustainable than meat-based diets. And especially if your dog has some sort of allergy, it may be to some animal-based products, so incorporating some plant-based products could also be very beneficial.